Carolina Batances, and I work for Blast Realty. Um, that's my part-time job. I'm a full-time math teacher at Hackensack High School for 16 years.
Very cool.
So I've been teaching that. That's my hometown. So I went back to the town that I lived in, where I grew up, where I feel that I could make a difference.
Very nice.
Um, so yeah, so full-time
And,
teacher, part-time real estate agent,
and how long have you been a real estate agent?
10 years.
For the past 10 years.
Yes.
And mostly you work in the Hackensack, kind of Bergen County,
Bergen
Teaneck,
County. Correct.
Saddlebrook. Right. That's where you're considered more
Paramus,
with the
Maywood,
market.
Rochelle Park, all of the Bergen County area I focus on.
Very good. Okay. So, I mean, let's get right into answering one very specific question. So a friend of mine had asked me, so just to give context around it, they're going to be first-time home buyers, husband, wife, and a baby, a 3-year-old. So they're looking to buy a house, I'm going to say the next 12 to 18 months, maybe sooner. And the one thing she definitely wants, so her dream home would be at least 3 bedrooms. And she definitely wants more than 1 bathroom, whether it's 1.5 or 2 bathrooms.
Okay.
And I think what the challenge they were having was they were looking at homes within their price range. And she didn't give me numbers, but they were within their price range. And she saw a few homes that she really liked, but only had 1 bathroom and had potential room for a 2nd bathroom or a half bathroom. So her question was, if she buys a house with 1 bathroom, wants to do an addition to the, not to the house to the square footage, but wants to take room with inside the house to put a half bath or 2nd bathroom, what does that affect in terms of the tax payment? Is that like guaranteed that her taxes go up? Is there a way to figure out how much it will go up?
Okay, so usually when you buy your home, the taxes do go up by a couple of $100 per year. It varies from every town. It won't go up skyrocketed 1,000, 2,000, so forth. A couple of hundred of dollars. And if you're not adding square footage and just add a bathroom using the same square footage that you currently have, it should not go up at all. And if it does, again, it will be probably a couple of hundred per year. So let's say if it goes up $500 a year, that's what, $42 a month
Right.
discrepancy that it goes up. So it really, at the end of the day, it might go up a little bit, not
Sure.
significantly, but you're gonna add value to your home.
Right.
The
So
more bedrooms and bathrooms that you have, it adds more value to your home, or what it will get appraised for.